Cobblestones cold under my shoes. A sleepy canal whispers the news. The sky hangs low, the color of pewter. Wintertime in Bruges, where the world slows down. Frost on the bricks, snow on the town. Wintertime in Bruges, where the stillness speaks and the clock tower hums as the old wood creaks. Lanterns flicker in a golden haze. Sladdles stretch long in the quiet maze. Chocolate melts in my paper cup. Every breath a ghost, every turn a toast. Wintertime in Bruges, where the world slows down. Frost on the bricks, snow on the town. Wintertime in Bruges, where the stillness speaks and the clock tower hums as the old wood creaks. Bells chime soft like a lullaby. Bare echoes dance, then wave goodbye. A cathedral spire touches the gray, and the wind whispers stay.